Hi everyone. In this tutorial I'll be showing how to download and run the RODA-in application. So the first thing you want to do is go to github.com/kip/RODA-in. This is really where the source code of the tool lives on the web. And one thing you want to notice is that on the front page of this site you will have a series of documentation. So you'll have information about what's the purpose of the tool. You'll have information about the supported export formats, and I have to say that we support at the moment the BAGIT and the eArc-zip formats. Then you'll have the requirements, and yeah, the only requirement you need is to have Java 8 installed in your system. You can download it from the Oracle website. There's a link right here, and we have to say that we have tested this with series of platforms. So it runs on Windows, several versions, Mac OS, and Linux as well. For those of you who are developers, you can use these instructions to clone the repository, the GitHub repository. Then you have instructions on how to compile it and how to run it. Pretty easy stuff for any developer. But since we are not developers, let's see how we can download the app and run it in our system. So you want to go here to this releases tab here on GitHub, and you will see that you can find here several versions that have been released, and you want to look for the one on the top. That's always the latest release of the application. So we're still on beta. We'll soon be on a major version, but for the purpose of this tutorial, it's really irrelevant in which version we are. Just want to download the latest one. I have a link here to the latest version. So here we have three different flavors of the app. You have this one, which would be the best one for running on Windows. You have the jar file, which will be the one you want to run on any other system than Windows. And since I'm on a Mac, this is the one I'm going to download. This just takes a few seconds. And then you have source code in a tar and in a zip file. So the download has completed. I'm just going to close the browser window. I don't need it anymore, and I go to my downloads folder and pick up the app. So this is the app that I just downloaded. It's a jar file. A jar file means that it's a precompiled Java application that you can run on your operating system. So on a Mac, you can just double click on it. It will show a warning that this is an application that you download from the internet, and he wants to make sure that you are aware of that and you confirm that you want to open it. So just click open, and the application opens. So you are now ready to go. If this doesn't work in your system because of some kind of misconfiguration that you might have, what you can do is you open a console or a terminal window. You go to the same folder where you have your application, and you type java -jar and the name of the jar file. Hit enter, and the application will run. Same as it did when I double clicked on the app. So that's it. Hope you enjoy it.